Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too much space on the application of Discord. You will click on settings, you will click here on settings as you see. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Discord. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next